morning, friends, and welcome to Tampa. We're back. And he's making announcements and I can't hear a dang thing he's saying. Not a word. Can't hear a dang thing he's saying. But we're back in Tampa. How pretty. Today is Sunday. And I told Brian, I'm like, see, if we lived here, we would only have a few minutes drive home. And tomorrow, this girl would be at Disney. Just saying. Just saying. But they're waiting for us. They're waiting for us to unload. He's making announcements and I can't hear a dang thing. So, crazy. Alrighty, so like I said, he was out there making announcements and I have no clue what he was saying. So I think we're just gonna have to play it by ear and probably leave our room. Well, we have to be out of our room anyway by 8:30, which it's about 7:15 right now. So we've got a good hour and 15 minutes or so left. But we still want to be able to hear what he has to say, and for some reason it's not coming through in here. So I don't know if he does that because people are still sleeping and out of respect they don't do it. I have no clue. But anywho, so Brian's in the shower and he's gonna be out, and I think we're just gonna go ahead and pack up our stuff, which everything's already packed up anyway. Just gonna grab our stuff and head out the door. That way we can actually listen if we go up to the Lido deck. So very, very excited to be home, or back in the United States. Don't get me wrong, I have had a fantastic time. This trip has been obviously a dream come true, being able to be on the Carnival Miracle. It's been fun, it's been entertaining, it's been an experience that I will never forget. I mean, Brian's already talking about going on another cruise sometime, so so that's exciting. But quite honestly, I'm like, I'm good if I ever go on a cruise again. I am good, yes, I am good if I never ever go on a cruise again. It's just, I don't know, I'll explain more in like a sit down video. I want to take a bunch of notes and write down some stuff and share a lot of this stuff with you guys. But as of now, for today is our travel day home, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to actually put this video up tomorrow. So this will be like our start of our Monday vlogs, and then I will be editing all of the trip videos throughout the week too, and getting those up as I have them up and edited. So, but as of today, today's our travel day home, and I'm excited to go home. I'm excited to go home. I'm excited to have my bed. I'm excited to have my food, my water, my couch, my blankets, my TV, my Wi-Fi, everything that I've missed this whole entire week. So, I'm just excited to be home, and I'm excited to go to Target. I can't wait to go to Target. It's gonna be so exciting. I'm gonna grab a Starbucks and I'm going to Target. And I've heard that the weather at home has been chilly, and I'm excited about chilly weather. So, yay for us. We're heading home. So let's go home, guys. What do you say? It is now 7:56 and we are still sitting on our boat in our room, ready to go. We have all this water. See that water down there? Yeah, that was the water that I bought for the cruise, and we drank a lot of the water. Well, I would say we drank 6 of them, 8 of them. Oh wait, we drank more than that. We drank a whole pack of those things. So anyway, we drank a lot of the water, and I know that they're itching. And we can't bring the rest of that water home with us. Well, we can, but we can't carry it. We have all of this luggage that we have to bring with us, and we can't carry that water. So that sucks. So we're gonna have to leave it in the room. I'm sure that they will discard it or something. It's not open, so hopefully they'll be able to reuse it. So yeah, that works out. Maybe they'll credit me back or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave my app open just in case. And yeah, we shall see. But yeah, we're still sitting here. They are actually letting some folks off right now, and that's probably like the VIPs. So we are not VIP, so we cannot get off the boat yet. We are not very important at all. We're just measly little peons sitting here in our room waiting for the call. But I haven't heard anything yet. I'm like dying. I told Brian, I'm like, I'm ready to go. When I'm ready to go, I want to go. Like, I want to get off the boat. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get on my way home. I'm ready to start my day. I'm ready to go. It's like I have such anxiety now because I'm like, I'm ready to go. I want to go. But anyway, all right. Hopefully next time I see you guys, we will be checking out. We have to show them our passports, our IDs, and our boat card, our Carnival cruise card. So yeah, and then they'll check us out, and that's it. Ooh, that's it. Maybe I can try to talk Brian into going to Disney. Not today, of course, because we have Brian's cousins with us. I'm gonna tell you right now, if they were not with us, this girl would have been staying at Disney last weekend, and she would be going to Disney like today. If his cousins weren't with us, if his cousin wasn't with us and her husband. But because they drove with us, then we, they're riding with us. I mean, not a big deal at all, but had they not come with us and they drove themselves, yeah, this girl would be Disney bound in about 5 minutes. Can't hear anything. Brian just poked his head and he can hear Frankie. But we can't hear him in our room, so I don't know what's going on. I wish I could hear Frankie. I wish he could say, Deck 7! Deck 7, let's go home! I'm ready to go. Everybody leaving, heading out the doors. We got the okay. Here we all go. Oh boy. Oh my god, this guy's like crunching his suitcase. Jesus. Having a come apart with his luggage. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! And here we are! And there we were! That's where we were. Right up there somewhere. I don't know what room it was. Which are right up there. Back there for Devin?
Sun.
Oh, in the back of you too.
It's hot back here.
Okay. Oh well, do you want me to turn some air on?
No, it's fine.
No, it's
I shut it all off.
no, it's fine.
I blocked the sun.
Oh, it's so funny.
Can you feel that?
Can you feel it, Devin?
Yeah.
Okay. We don't care if you're hot. Too bad. Suck it up, Buttercup. Don't be a drama queen. Did you even need to take any of that? The drama? Drama mean?
2, I think.
2.
1.
The first
1.
Oh. So Brian and I are home and we stopped at Mexican. They have some real food. It's so exciting. We got steak and chicken fajitas and rice and beans and guacamole and chips and salsa and tea and everything. It's so good. Mmm.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna